Hi, welcome back to Gate Degree College eGnan online classes for first year English. So, in our last class, we have discussed about question tags and rules. So, almost all I finished the rules of question tags, and the present class I'm going to discuss with you some exercises in this class, exercises and answers for it. So let's see. So number one, I took the other road. I took the other road is the statement. So I told you in my previous class. So this is a positive sentence, and of course this statement has no helping verb, but we have main verb. That's why, so the tag should be negative followed by main verb. So already the main verb is in verb 2. That's why tag should be did not, sorry, didn't I is a question tag, right? So next, Raju appreciates me is another statement. Raju appreciates me. Like the first sentence, this sentence as also positive sentence has no with the helping verb. But we have main verb. That too the main verb is in verb 1. That's why verb 1 with yes. So I told you if we find any verb with yes or es, so tag should be starts with does. Already this is positive sentence. That's why doesn't. So he is the pronoun because of Raju is the noun, and we should keep. So we should put here pronoun in the last of the tag. That's why doesn't he is the answer. And next, Mary sings well is also same sentence like this one. And in this sentence also, so we have verb with yes. That's why, so tag is also like doesn't. And Mary is female gender, so pronoun is should like she. Doesn't she is the tag question, right? And they haven't came is the statement. Of course, you know this is negative sentence with the not, haven't. Already, if it is the main, we should understand have is both two verbs, either main verb or helping verb. So that tag question is have they, because this is a negative sentence, so tag should be positive, right? And next one is everybody cannot be pleased. So everybody cannot be pleased is one more example. Of course, this is a negative sentence because of not, right? So tag should be positive. But you should remember that if any statement with everybody, somebody, anybody, like words if we find, so the pronoun of this type of words is they, right? That's why can they is the tag question, right? Can they, because the pronoun for the everybody is the they. So like this you should remember that if you find any sentence like with everybody, somebody, right, nobody, like, so the pronoun should be they. So in the same way, let's see some more examples. Someone helped the poor girl. Someone helped the girl or girl. Someone helped the girl. So here the verb is with the verb to, and I told you in the previous example, so someone, the pronoun for the someone is also they, right? So that tag should be didn't, because it is positive statement. So didn't they is the tag question, okay, right? And nobody accepted the proposal. Nobody accepted the proposal, right? So of course here verb is with verb to form, so past tense, and this, I told you in my previous classes, if any sentence starts with the nobody, nothing, right, like, so the sentence is with no, so that's why it should consider as a negative statement because of the word no. That's why this is a negative sentence. But the pronoun for the nobody is usually they. That's why tag should be positive, right? So did they is the tag question, right? Then we seldom meet my grandparents. We seldom meet my or our grandparents. I told you in my previous class, if we find the word like seldom, never, nobody, right, like these words, this statement is also negative statement because seldom is semi-negative word which gives negative meaning. Seldom means very rarely, very rarely. That's why this statement is negative, right? That's why meet, the verb meet is in with verb one. That's why do we is the tag question, right? And so few boys came to college. Few boys came to college. So of course the sentence seems to be positive sentence, but this is negative sentence because of few. That's why so tag should be positive, right? So came is with verb to. That's why Did they is the tag question, right? And take the one more example with a little bit variation of this example. A few boys came to college. A few boys came to college. So here one thing you need to identify, the sentence is with few, but this present sentence is with a few. I told you this is a negative sentence because of few. So this type of sentence, a few, should positive sentence. That's why because of a few, the sentence is a positive, tag should be negative. So didn't they is the tag question, right? And let's see some other examples. So with some rules. So don't make noise. Don't make noise. See, don't make noise is an imperative sentence. Of course, you know an imperative is nothing but request, command or order. So the sentence is a command. This is an imperative sentence. So I told you if it is an imperative sentence, tag should be will you, right? Will you, or sometimes won't you, or sometimes would you, right? And bring me a glass of water. Bring me a glass of water. So this is also a type of order. Bring me a glass of water, right? So for this sentence also, will you? Will you? So is the tag question, right? And I am happy. I'm happy today. I'm happy today. So whenever you find I am, so tag should be aren't I, right? Whenever you find statement with I am, tag should be aren't I, right? And with slight difference, I am not happy today. I am not happy today. See, this is a positive sentence. That's why aren't I. This is a negative sentence with I am not. But so the tag is so different. The answer is different. That is how am I is the answer, right? So remember these two differences. If a statement with I am, tag should be aren't I, and if the statement is am not, tag should be am I, right? Yes. Next, let's let's start the prayer. Let's start the prayer. I tell you in my previous class, in any of the sentence starts with let's, right? So automatically the tag should be shall we, right? Shall we, and let's move. Let's move. So for this also, shall we? So blindly you can put question tag for this type of sentence if a statement starts with let's, so automatically the tag should be shall we, like, okay. So let her sing. Let her sing. I told you how to multiply indirect, direct pronoun into indirect pronoun. So let her sing. So, so already we have the usual word like let. So our tag should start with shall, right? But here her is a indirect pronoun. So direct pronoun is she. So shall she is the tag question, right? And let them go. So let them go. Here in this statement, so we also seen that let. So our tag should start with shall. And here we find them is indirect pronoun. The direct pronoun is they. So shall they is the tag question. Right. So and next. Something is special. Something is special to him. Right. Something is special to him. You know, this is a positive statement, no doubt. So, because of is, so tag should start with isn't, and I told you in my previous class, if any statement with something, nothing, right, anything, so its pronoun should it. So that isn't it is the tag question, right? And we shall move now. We shall move now, right? So no doubt here we have so helping verb and main verb. So we need to go with shall. That's why this is a positive sentence. So tag should be shan't, which means shall not, right? Shan't we is the tag question, right? Shan't we, right? She will come tomorrow. So this is all the same sentence like this sentence. So here will is the helping verb. So because of this positive sentence, tag should be negative, right? So won't she is the tag question. Won't she, right? So like this, I covered in my in this class I covered with all rules for the question tags maximum. Of course, I may left some of them. So if you have, so if you think that I may across some rules, so you just go some references. So thank you. This is all about question tags. So we shall discuss uh, some other grammatical aspect in my next class. Thank you.